Before you is the Notis whey filler for dry pet food, bagging into ready-made sacks. This type of solution is in demand where the goal is to speed up packaging without complex automation. Our customer from Novosibirsk, Russia, supplies dog food across Siberia and the Urals. Serious volumes and manually weighing sacks of 10 and 20 kilograms was holding back growth. The whey filler solved the problem. Now the operator attaches a sack, starts the cycle, and the machine fills the exact target weight on its own. The video shows factory acceptance testing at Notis before shipment. After a few cycles, the self-adjusting dosing algorithm reaches operating mode and begins delivering portions faster and more accurately. Similar Notis whey fillers are already running at dozens of pet food manufacturers in Moscow, Kemerovo, Chelyabinsk, Volgograd, and other cities across Russia, as well as Belarus. If your business is in pet food production, visit www.notis.ru. We'll find the right solution for your tasks and production volumes.